a Dollar Tree haul. Hello everyone, bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what is up? Yes, you heard me right. We have a Dollar Tree haul. Shocker. It's not. Another Dollar Tree haul today. For this trip though, I did see the price increases finally at my store for some of the things that like I'm more interested in buying. Before, when I saw the price increases of stuff, it was more likely stuff that I didn't really need or want. Now it is. So it's a little painful. So I am being a lot more strategic about what I do pick up at Dollar Tree. It's not so much just grab everything because it was only $1. Now I have to like think about how many items I'm getting and like if I really want to try it out, if it's something I've never tried before, if I want to take a chance on it, you know, or if it's gonna get left at the store. And that sucks because I feel like it takes away a little bit of the fun of Dollar Tree. It was like trying this stuff because you could do it because it was so cheap, and it's just not anymore. That extra quarters now just adds up so much quicker. But we have a haul. I do have a lot of stuff. First thing I needed, I always need these. I haven't got them in a while, but I do need to stock back up on my glue sticks. I've been doing a little bit more of like a scrapbook type journal lately, and then also I use these a lot when I put together, there's like a fuzz, when I put together my books, my like sticker books and everything, I use glue sticks. It's time to get them, I feel like, is when the stores come out with their school supplies stuff, because you can find like more in the packs. So this is a pack of 8. It was only $1.25, so I needed this. I got these, right? Saw them there and I was like, oh my gosh, that sounds so fun. I've seen people show them in videos and said that they do actually work. They are actually voice activated, voice controlled. They were $1.25. I got 4 of them and I realized once I got home, they're not battery operated. I thought they were battery operated. Probably wouldn't have gotten 4 if they weren't. I think need a USB. They're USB powered. So had I known that, I probably would have gotten as many as I did. I would have only gotten 2. But I mean, it's already done. I do already have one up on my shelf over there, but I haven't used it yet. Would have liked it better if it was battery operated, just because a lot of USB type stuff, I don't really like leaving them plugged in constantly. I don't know, something about it just scares me a little bit with the USBs, especially with like, because we're mixing so many USBs nowadays, like from different companies and different brands. I don't know, it just kind of scares me a little bit. I don't know about these, but I did get 4. I got some more acne pimple patches. Of course I did. These are my favorite. I wasn't lying. Whenever I see some, I grab some. So I think I only got 2 packs in this bag. There's a lot in here, so I think I only got 2. This is definitely stuff from a few weeks. I think like mostly last month. Yeah. Last month. It's been sitting for a good like 2 weeks waiting for me to film, because I am one of those people that just sits everything in the corner of my office until I have the time to sit down and film it. So it's been sitting for like 2 weeks. To get another one of these little flat flashlights, and this one is in red, pink, red. I got it for my bag. I want to get all of the colors, if not 2 of each color, so that I can keep them to change out stuff in my purse. I like to have everything matching, and they do light up though, so wait. Oh, I was like, does it not work? But yeah, it is just a flashlight. So yeah, I have a blue one now and this red pink one. Kind of some random finds, but they were necessary. First thing was this hydrocortisone cream. It says maximum strength. I don't know. Oh, percentage? I don't know. Eczema, psoriasis. I can't even read all this. Soaps, insect bites. But I mainly got this because I've said in a different video now, I do get allergy shots now, like immunotherapy. And a lot of times my arms swell up. Like it's so bad. My allergies are so bad. So they say to get hydrocortisone cream, so I finally got this. I had passed by it so many times, and every time I'm like, that's what they say to get. I finally picked it up. It was $1.25. I got this. Hydrogen peroxide. A lot of times I put hydrogen peroxide mixed with water in my plants if I see that like we're having an issue with like bugs. This year has been a lot better. We don't have those little gnats inside the house, so I'm really happy about it, but I like having this just in case. And I didn't realize that we already have like 6 bottles of this. I need rubbing alcohol. That's what I should have grabbed. It was still $1.25 when I picked it up this day, so I'm not mad about it because the prices are increasing. I should have got rubbing alcohol and I got this instead of, it was just mixed in my head. Something else I needed. I had been looking for this for a while and I just hadn't seen it at every store that I went to. So this is the multi-purpose cleaning paste. It's supposed to be a dupe for the pink stuff. It says on here $1.25. It might have still been $1.25, but for some reason I think this was a different price than that. There might be a second one in the back. Another thing of the pimple patches, so that's a total of 3 so far in here. And I got these, which are actually for my mom, and I knew there was something else that I was supposed to give her. I literally saw her yesterday. I didn't realize I still have these. These are now $1.50. They have little things covered up, but they are just the little pot holders. Silicone pot holder. They have these in black, gray, and then the red. I managed to find 2 books. One of them was on my wish list that I really wanted because it's in Spanish, and I managed to get them before the price increase. So I got this right before they increased the price for the books. This is the main one that I wanted because I have been looking for Spanish books and just stuff that's written in Spanish so that we can have it around our house. So this one is Marchando una de pollo. Las mejores recetas con pollo. Spanish book, cookbook, and it's nice on the inside. Oh my god, it's like never been cracked open, but I was hoping to find this one and I did, so I'm really happy about it. Not much else to say about it. I just like that it's in Spanish. It's a nice book. Well done. And since I was over in the book section, I found this one. It's like a hefty, heavy book. This is Food IQ, 100 questions, answers, and recipes to raise your cooking smarts. So I figured with like changing of like trying to be more healthy, more health conscious, and like make better choices with food and just like living healthier, I thought this might be a good book to get. So here is the back. It's by Daniel Holzman and Matt Rodbard. I don't know anything about this. I just saw it. I saw it was like a hefty, nice book. I liked how it looked on the inside. I like books that have like actual real pictures and not drawings when it's food. I don't know why. I like it better when it's like actual pictures like that. So I don't know. It's a pretty interesting book. Best egg salad. What is emulsification? And why is it so French? It's just like some nice information about food for $1.25. Not anymore. I think books are now $1.75, but I got mine for $1.25. And then I'm so happy I found these. I've actually been on the hunt for these and I've had people looking for them for me and no one has found them. And I think they just got a new stock of these in, like a new shipment in. It is these 5 packs of beauty blenders, blending sponges is what they're calling them. Get 5 in here for $1.25 and they're actually good. I think I also might end up cutting them in half though so that I can basically get 2 out of them. I don't know, we'll see. Get a whole bunch of different shapes in there, different colors. I grabbed one of each like colorway, I think. There's those 2 with the different colors in there. This one looks slightly different from this pack. So there's 3 packs, $1.25. Beauty blenders, like the brand beauty blender, $20 for one. Are you kidding? And I know I do not change these out enough, but I don't want to break out. So I need to be better about that. And now I feel better about doing that when they're this price. You know what I mean? So here's this one. It does have this like green one in there. So that's what, 4 packs? So 4 different packs is what I found, 4 different like colorways in here with like 4 different colorways. So that's all of those. Then I did grab some more of the value packs for the makeup sponges. Of course I did, because again, it's just such a good value and I do really like using these. So for $1.25, you're getting 28 different little sponges in here and they're like different shapes and sizes. So I did get the 2 different colorways that I found of these 2. The only thing that's different though is the little ones at the top. So there's that pack compared to this one. So see just the colors at the top. Those are the 2 different ones that I found. But again, $1.25 for 28 of these is like actually insanity. You guys, I had to get some more of the pencil pouches. I really did, because these are just so good. So I finally just got 1 of each color, I think. Maybe I got extra backups. I don't know. I'm seeing a lot in this bag right now. I don't know what I did there. So before I had just the blue one and the pink one. So now I didn't have the purple one. So this is a new color to me. I just don't like the colorway that they did, like how the zipper doesn't match. But the Tombow markers, the really long markers that I use for planners and I know a lot of people use for stationery stuff, don't fit in just any pencil pouch, which is super annoying because they're so long, it's like stupid. But they fit in here perfectly, so I love these, and these are like really good quality from Jot. I got them for $1.25. So now I have, I think, 2 of the pink, and I got 2 purple. I think I was trying to get 2 of each color, but I didn't do that, so like that's why I'm a little confused. So now I do have 2 of the blue with the green that I got the other day. Oh my god, can this fix? Oh. These are the colors. And then I finally got this one, which is technically a green with like this pink fuchsia color. It's pretty. There's the different, that's the whole set. It's like 4 different colors, but they're so nice. $1.25 for these. Like I said, they're such good quality with the silicone. They're put together nice. The zippers work really well, and they fit Tombow markers, which is perfection if you are a stationery lover. And then I got this one. Oh, here's another one. So I got 5. How many packs did I get? How did I not see this one sitting in there still? Or did I already show this like colorway? I don't know, but here's another one. Okay, and kind of random, I almost didn't get this, but then I was like, wait, I actually like little mini pens in my purse. I don't know why that was so hard. In my purse with like my shopping list, I like a little mini pencil pen to keep track of everything. So I mainly just got these because they're mini, but they are the little Centos, so they should have a scent to them. I honestly don't care about that. I just like them that they were mini, small. So you get 5 in here, scented mini pens. These were $1.25 from the back to school section, so I just grabbed it. One of my favorite things to get from the Dollar Tree are these hairsprays. I have talked about them before. Love, 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 love. It seemed like they had gotten a new shipment of this too, or maybe they had just gotten around to putting out some of these things. I don't know. This was actually a store that like for the last few months, it's been a little bit slow. So I'm not sure if maybe they just got around to some of their stuff, but they had so many of these and I only got 2. I wanted to get more because I love these and I use these now every time I get out of the shower. This is like the first thing I spray in my hair. I love them. They smell so nice. I did get some more of these. So I found these the other day and I picked up just 2 more of these. Again, they had so many of them. I was like, let me just get 2. I feel like 2 is usually my safe number of like grabbing stuff at Dollar Tree, because just in case I really like it, if it's something I've never tried before, I like having a backup. And if I know I like it and I've picked it up before, I usually get either 2 or 3 if there's that many there. So I usually pick up 2 of everything, but I got some more of these. I do really like them. They're perfect size, obviously, for my gym bag too. I can't believe it. I finally found these little guys. So I had found them before. I just got 2 because they only had the green. Otherwise I would have got 1 yellow and 1 green, but they only had green, so I just grabbed 2 green ones. I found 1 of these before, like literally just 1, but my mom wanted them more than I did. So I gave it to my mom and then I never saw it again. And then I found just a little small display with just a few left. So I just got 2 of these and all the yellow ones were already gone. So I don't know if people love the yellow more. I don't know. I was never really crazy about getting these, so it doesn't really bother me, but I mainly got it for the container, to be really honest with you. Can I smell it? No. I'm just a sucker for containers, a sucker for little pouches, a sucker for a keychain, and then even bigger sucker for anything mini. Yeah, so I can't. I got 2. And this, I don't know anything about this. I just know that usually when stuff like makeup, cosmetics is like in this packaging with like the black and the white like that, it's usually brand name. But this is a blush serum cheek and lip color. They had a whole bunch of these, like so many of these hanging up on the little rack, but they were all the same color, I think. I couldn't really tell what the color is, but from like the color of the lid, they were all the exact same. So I just got 1 to try it. It's by the brand, I don't even know. I can't see because it's light. Beauty, I think is what it is. But I think I've seen it on Amazon. It's sold on Amazon maybe? I don't know. We will see. We'll try that out, I guess. I did have on my list this day to get some more, am I sweating again? To pick up some cuticle oil because I don't really have a lot. So I managed to find this. It seemed like this collection, the Ioni Glow Getter, was pretty picked over. I've already gotten stuff from this collection, so it was fine. I was just kind of grabbing what I could still find left over. So I got just 1 of these cuticle oils. I keep forgetting what it's called, cuticle oil. And I did manage to find, sprawled and all of the other stuff, was just 1 pack of the pink nails, which I did wish that when I first found the entire full collection, I found it like it was still full, like untouched. I should have got 4 of each boxes of the 2 different types of nails, but so now I have 3 of the pink because I need 2 boxes just to do a full set. And I like being able to switch out and use these sets for multiple times, but you can't really do that with the Dollar Tree ones that only have 12 nails in it. But now I have this one. And then, like I said, that collection was pretty picked over this day that I went, but I did manage to find another one of my favorite one of the lip oils. I do really like this. I've put it on. I think the applicator is a little bit different. It's literally just the plastic without like any type of fuzziness on it. I don't know. The applicator is weird. It's just plastic, but I love the way that these look. I feel like you can kind of repurpose them with different lip oils if you have, or different lip glosses if you really like the container, which I do. I love it. I love anything lucite like that, and then with like the little heart, like it's just so cute. And of course, gotta love Ione stuff. The plastic is a little excessive, but even just holding it, it's so, I don't know. I love it. I love it. The little heart on here, just like right up my alley. Like, look at that. I do already have one that I opened though, so I don't want to fully open it. It seemed like the only thing that wasn't really picked over for this collection that I saw this day was the sprays. So I just got 1 more of each to have. I did try the other one and it is nice and refreshing. I like keeping it by my computer sometimes, and since it's been so hot when I'm sitting at my computer doing work, just editing, sitting here, doing whatever, it's just nice. It'll pick me up. It smells nice. It makes my skin nice and glowy. I don't know. I enjoyed it and they were there. So I got some backups. There was a whole new like 3 different packs of hand sanitizer. I couldn't believe it. And they were basically untouched. It was like crazy. And so I was like, oh, the universe is throwing me hand sanitizer. It's not exactly the ones that I want, but I'm gonna get 1 of each just in case to be like, thank you, universe. You know? So I did get another backup of these ones. This green one is my actual, out of all of the hand sanitizer scents that I found at Dollar Tree, this is my favorite one so far. I don't know, it just makes me happy. So there's that one in cucumber mint, and then this one in watermelon scented. But the crazy thing is, when I was looking through the other section of like the gift section-ish type stuff, you know what I'm talking about, the like more gift beauty stuff, just thrown in there was this one that I don't have. So I didn't find this collection either, but now I have just this one. It's the hibiscus scent, or did I, wait, hibiscus sounds familiar. Did I already have this? No, it was peony. I have peony already, but I never found this one. And then I don't know what other color was with this set. So I found just one lying somewhere in the store. So the only ones that I have not found now is obviously the other one, whichever other color came with this one. I don't know, you guys can let me know which color came with it. And then the sparkly blue, sparkly pink, I have not found those yet. I keep missing them, and I know because I see the displays and I miss them. I never got the winter ones with like the blues, and I never got the original fall ones. So, but the universe has given me some and I'm happy about it, so I'm thankful for that. Let me know in the comments below though if you guys have found all of the hand sanitizer scents, or let me know which ones you haven't found. I love hearing from you guys, but that is it from this haul. So please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want to see more of my videos. It does really help out my channel, so thank you so much. And also, if you haven't yet though, subscribe to my channel. Please do that and hit the bell notification so YouTube can let you know when I do post my new videos. I'm trying to keep them out every single week for you guys. So yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.